Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the crypto.com exchange app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to complete the identity verification process, which is crucial for security and compliance. After verification, link your preferred funding method, such as a bank account or debit card, to easily deposit funds. This initial setup ensures you're ready to begin trading securely and efficiently. With your account funded, you're ready to explore the trading options. Navigate to the trade section within the app to view available cryptocurrencies. Select the asset you wish to buy or sell, then enter your desired amount. You can choose between market orders for immediate execution or limit orders for a specific price. Confirm your transaction, and your trade will be processed quickly. Beyond basic trades, the app offers advanced features to enhance your strategy. Explore different order types, like stop-loss orders, to manage risk effectively. Consider staking your cryptocurrencies to earn passive rewards over time. For robust security, always enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account, safeguarding your assets from unauthorized access. Regularly monitoring your portfolio is key to successful crypto investing. The app provides a clear overview of your asset performance and allocation. You can easily review your transaction history and manage withdrawals when needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This helps you stay informed and make smart decisions about your digital assets, ensuring you're always in control of your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.